Welcome to AI Beat, your go-to podcast for the latest in artificial intelligence and tech trends. If you haven't already, subscribe to the Daily Flash Trends newsletter for a concise, insightful update on what's shaping the future. Now, let's dive into today's top AI stories and breakthroughs. Finally, Riverbed's recognition as an innovator in unified analytics and AI ops highlights the importance of integrated AI-powered IT management. As enterprises face complex digital environments, platforms that combine analytics and automation are proving vital for maintaining performance and security. All these stories reflect a broader trend. AI is not just about smarter algorithms, but about integrating, governing, and scaling responsibly. From climate models to corporate compliance and from scientific discovery to sustainable infrastructure, AI is rewriting the rules, sometimes in surprising ways. Thanks for tuning in. Which of today's trends caught your attention most? Feel free to share your thoughts and insights. After all, the future of AI is a conversation we're all part of. As AI continues to evolve at a rapid pace, the narrative is shifting from simply piling on complexity to rethinking foundational assumptions. For instance, recent research from MIT challenges the idea that deeper or more complex models are always better. When it comes to climate prediction, sometimes straightforward linear models outperform sophisticated deep learning approaches. This finding emphasizes the importance of model interpretability and choosing the right tool for the task, reminding us that simplicity can be powerful, especially in fields like climate science where data variability is high. Meanwhile, in the realm of generative AI, understanding how models memorize versus generalize is crucial. A new analysis of diffusion models reveals that balancing generalization and overfitting is a delicate dance. Improving this balance can lead to more reliable, robust AI systems that are safer to deploy and more capable of creative tasks without risking unintended overfitting. It's a reminder that as AI systems grow more capable, understanding their inner workings becomes increasingly vital. On the regulatory front, the European Union is stepping up enforcement of its Data Act. The message is clear. Non-compliance can lead to significant penalties and sanctions. For organizations handling data across borders, this underscores the urgent need for proactive data governance. Ignoring these rules isn't just risky, it's costly. The landscape is evolving to hold companies more accountable for how they manage and share data, making compliance not just a legal requirement, but a strategic necessity. In the realm of AI governance and ethics, IBM's latest report highlights a concerning trend. Ungoverned AI can lead to hidden costs, especially in data breaches. As AI systems become more integrated into critical operations, the importance of responsible oversight and ethical management grows. Organizations are being called to implement stronger governance frameworks, not just to prevent breaches, but to build trust with users and stakeholders. Ethical AI isn't just good practice, it's a business imperative. Turning to scientific innovation, the Allen Institute has launched ASTA, an agentic AI platform designed to boost trustworthy scientific research. ASTA aims to set new standards for transparency and reproducibility, which are essential for accelerating discovery while maintaining scientific integrity. As AI becomes a collaborative partner in research, trust and transparency will be key to unlocking its full potential. On the infrastructure side, Broadcom's new VMware Tanzu Data Intelligence Platform exemplifies how integrated data platforms are powering next-generation AI. By streamlining data workflows and enabling multimodal analysis, these platforms are laying the groundwork for more sophisticated, agentic AI applications. This is a glimpse into a future where data infrastructure is seamlessly aligned with AI innovation. Another intriguing development is the research into fixed-weight transformers. These models can emulate algorithms within context, offering a more efficient and adaptable approach to AI reasoning. Understanding these capabilities could lead to AI systems that are not only more versatile but also more resource efficient, paving the way for smarter, more flexible applications across industries. Sustainability remains a critical concern. Crusoe and Atnorth's expanded partnership in Iceland demonstrates how cloud providers are investing in green AI infrastructure. Scaling AI workloads in eco-friendly data centers shows that sustainability and performance can go hand in hand. As AI adoption accelerates, green infrastructure will become a strategic differentiator for forward-thinking organizations. In the business world, tools like QuickBooks are harnessing AI to deliver unified financial insights. Their dashboard agent provides a comprehensive view of financial health, enabling smarter, faster decision making. This kind of integrated analytics is transforming how small and medium sized businesses operate, making AI an essential partner in everyday business.